Are you new to the world of computers and want to learn the basics? Well, you've come to the right place. In just 60 seconds, I'll give you a quick rundown of the essential skills you need to get started. But first, I want you to like, follow, and subscribe so I can make you grow quicker. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about the keyboard and mouse. These are your primary tools for interacting with your computer. With the keyboard, you can type text, navigate menus, and execute commands. And the mouse allows you to point, click, and scroll through content with ease. Next, let's dive into the desktop. This is the main interface of your computer, where you can access programs, files, and settings. Learning to open, close, and resize windows is key to staying organized and efficient. File management is another crucial skill. Organizing your files and folders is essential for keeping your computer clutter-free and your data easily accessible. Create, rename, and move files and folders with confidence. Now, let's talk about word processing. Programs like Microsoft Word are essential for writing documents and communicating effectively. Mastering the basics of these tools will save you time and effort. Browsing the internet is a must-have skill in today's digital world. Navigate web browsers to access information, communicate via email, and utilize online resources to your advantage. And last but not least, basic troubleshooting. Investigating and resolving common computer issues will help you maintain your computer's functionality and keep it running smoothly. There you have it. These are the most important basic computer skills for beginners. Remember, practice makes perfect, so start applying these skills in your daily computer use and you'll be a pro in no time. Please don't forget to like and follow and subscribe so I can make you grow quicker.